If you ever get super glue in your eyes, whatever you do, don't try to pry it open. So many people panic and start rubbing it like crazy. Others splash some random liquids hoping it'll save them, but that'll only make things worse. So what should you actually do? I'll tell you. But if you never want glue in your eyes, tap the like button, click subscribe, then share and tap the copy link and you will not see this. Alright, the trick is to gently flush your eye with warm water for several minutes. If your eyelids are stuck together, apply a warm moist towel until they loosen and immediately go to a doctor.